How's it going, everyone? Enzo here. Wanted to make a quick little unboxing video of my brand new OS Speed 91 HZ-R. I picked this engine up on HeliDirect. They had this motor in stock. I've been flying the OS 105 HZ-R through my Raw 700 Nitro, and I really wanted to see what all the hype was about with the 91 being re-released by OS. So I went ahead and picked one up. So let's go ahead and take this engine out of the box and see what you get with the brand new purchase of the OS Speed 91 HZ-R helicopter engine. So this is the 91 Speed out of the box. So in typical OS fashion, you are going to get your paperwork. This one comes with OS Speed themed stickers. You're going to get your OS head shim, as well as the one-way check valve and a number 8 glow plug from OS included in the box. Then obviously there is the craft, which is the OS Speed 91 HZ-R Heli engine. So this is regulated. Obviously you do get the check valve, so there's the pump system right there. You do get the nice accent touch of the OS Speed styling from the car racing engines that I am familiar with and that I come from, which is the black crankcase, so it gives it a nice stealth finish. And you also have the color matched cooling head with the OS Speed laser engraving on one side, and you get that really clean chrome machining similar to the 105. The cool thing about this pipe, or I'm sorry, this engine, not pipe, is that the exhaust is not threaded. So when you go to install your pipe, there are no threads machined into the block right here to install the pipe. So it's more old school, which is the screws will go right through the block, and you have to use a retaining nut behind the pipe, kind of sandwich it to the block. So I actually like that style a little bit more than the threads, just because sometimes with the pipe on, it's hard to get an Allen driver to truly sit inside of the face of the screw when you're tightening the bolts down on the pipe side. So this makes it a little bit easier because you can actually tighten it from the back side of the engine and just hold the nut with some pliers and give it a nice firm amount of torque, and you know that it's not going anywhere. So that's really nice about the 91. Something to note for those of you that are thinking about getting this engine is it does not have threaded holes on the block, so the screws will go through the block and sandwich the pipe to the engine. So that's something specific to the 91. I already mentioned the black coating finish. Supposedly this engine is a little bit ported, has a little bit of tune work done to the sleeve compared to the 105, so it should make a little bit more power, if not be a little bit more refined of a power band versus the 105. In theory, the bigger displacement from the 105 should have more power, but guys are saying that this 91 recovers a little bit better. It's a little bit better on fuel mileage, as well as delivering a little bit smoother overall power. So I'm pretty excited to try it. Hopefully it's, not a power loss. It's just a different power band. So again, I'm pumped to try it. Excited to put it in the airframe. Excited to get it broken in and report back with some information. So I just wanted to make this quick unboxing video of the OS 91 HZ-R 3D speed engine for a 700 class helicopter, or even a 600 size if you want to go big bore. And big block your 600 size. This is the re-release 91 speed from OS. So again, I picked this up from HeliDirect. They got them in stock. They got them at a great price. So definitely feel free to head over to HeliDirect and go ahead and grab one before they run on out. So thanks everyone for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.